How to fix Helldivers 2 stock on loading screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to fix Helldivers 2 when stuck on the loading screen. It is a quick and easy process, so follow along. I'll cover some troubleshooting methods for the Helldivers 2, and on the release day, many faced issues launching the game. Some saw the splash art then crash or a black screen. I found methods to troubleshoot Helldivers 2. Firstly, right-click on the Helldivers 2 on Steam and go to Manage and browse local files. In the bin section, locate the folder called Game Guard folder, which is the anti-cheat software, and if the issue persists, delete this folder. Next, right-click on the Helldivers 2 and then go to its properties, compatibility, and run as an administrator. Also, reinstall the Visual C++ distributable for the Visual Studio 2012 Update 4. Click on the Repair during the installation if prompt, and if the issue persists, verify the game file integrity or run the game directly from the helldivers2.exe. These steps resolved my issue. So this was basically on how to fix the Helldivers 2 stock on the loading screen. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.